end up losing more money than the money they win from. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel where we help you to make smart financial decisions. In today's video, we'll be discussing 6 investments you should avoid at all costs. If today is your first time of coming across our channel, my name is Grace Steven, and consider subscribing to our channel and put on notification bell so that you don't miss any of our content. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced investor, it is important for you to stay away from these risky ventures. So let's dive right in and protect our hard-earned money. First on my list is get-rich-quick schemes or fraudulent investments. Investments that promise high returns with little or no risk are mostly fraudulent and scams. Be careful about investment opportunities that seems too good to be true or give huge interest within a short period of time. 2. Unfamiliar or complex investments. It is important to understand every investment that you make. If you don't understand an investment or it looks complex, it may not be good for you. Take your time to learn it or get an expert to assist you before you try to invest. Number 3. Investment with high fees. High fees can actually eat into the returns and reduce the amount of money you make on an investment. So, be sure to understand the fees allocated or associated with an investment that you make, and ensure that you are not paying more than the returns, because if you are doing that, you are going to lose a lot of money, and that type of investment is not good for you. Number 4 is an investment that requires large amount of capital. An investment that requires large capital can be very risky. That is simply because it will take a long time for you to recoup your capital and your returns. 5 is illegal investment. Simply, illegal investments are investments that are not approved by the state, other institutions, and the general public in a particular country. So if there is an investment that is not approved by your country, then you should not try to venture into such an investment, because in any case that you should lose your capital or your returns, you cannot go ahead to make an official complaint to the police. So another investment that you should avoid is an investment that is not approved or that is illegal. Investment number 6 is gambling. Of course, there will always be some people who will win in gambling. However, these individuals are typically in the minority, and the vast majority of people who gamble will end up losing more money than the money they win from gambling. Therefore, gambling is also another investment that you should try and avoid at all costs. And there you have it, 6 investments that you should avoid in order to protect your capital or your hard-earned money. Remember, when it comes to investment, it is important to be cautious and make informed decisions, avoiding get-rich-quick schemes, unfamiliar or complex investments, high-fee investments, investment requiring large capital, illegal investments, and gambling is the key to safeguarding your financial future. I hope this video has shed light on risky investment that you should avoid, and it will help you to make a smart choice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, put on notification bell for more valuable content. As always, stay financially savvy, and I'll catch you in our next video. Take care.